Alright guys, how many different animal sounds can you make? Okay, I can make a turkey, which is really embarrassing, don't laugh at me. Just go for my turkey. I can make a monkey. I can make a cow. A cat. That's 4. I can make a dog. Ruff. Ruff. I'm barking. Okay. What other animals are there? I wish I could make an elephant. I can make an elephant. I can make an elephant blowing its nose. I can make... What else can I make? I don't know, I think that's about it on my monkey sounds. But, I mean my animal sounds. So, tell me what kind of animal sounds you can make, because quite honestly, I would love to see them.